This Arduino project creates a 5-way light. To begin with, I've run a brown cable from the 5-volt pin on the Arduino over to the positive side of the power rail on the breadboard. Then I've run the green wire from the ground on the Arduino over to the negative side of the power on the breadboard. Then, to make my life a little easier, I've run a wire from the positive side on the left to the positive side power rail on the right, and a wire from the negative to the negative from left to right, so that I can access both sides of the breadboard, left and right. That's pretty much it for power. Let's look at the LED. I've put an LED light in right here, paying attention to which side the long pin of the LED and the short pin of the LED, which rows those are in. The row with the long pin, I've run a wire, the yellow wire, from that row to pin 11 on the Arduino. That's going to serve as my output pin. From the row that has the short connection on the LED, I've run a resistor from that row over to the negative side of the power rail on the breadboard. For the push button to control the light, I've straddled the push button between the left and the right side of the breadboard. For power, I've run a wire from one pin, one row. You'll notice there's 2 pins on either side of the push button. From one row over to the positive side of the power rail on the breadboard. The other pin side, the other row, I've run a wire, the orange wire, over to pin 8 on the Arduino. That's going to serve as my input pin. I've also run a resistor from the same side as the input pin to the negative row on the power rail. That's pretty much it. Now, what will happen with this 5-way light is when I press the button, the light will come on. When I press it 4 consecutive times more, the light will continue to get brighter, for a total of 5 levels. On the 6th push, the light will go out. Again, 5-way light, 5 different intensities, and on the 6th push, the light will go out. Try it again. That's 5. And on the 6th, the light goes out. Enjoy the project. Have fun.